So we'll be working on the 2010 FJ Cruiser today. We'll take care of the minor service for you, get the oil changed and the tires rotated. It does look like there's a safety recall on the vehicle, so we can go ahead and take care of that for you today while it's here. You want to give me just a minute. Let me get the paperwork off the printer for you. You can give me a signature here. I'll be right back.
I'll call you and give you updates and everything as to what's going on. Correct.
Okay, so we'll go ahead with the service. We'll take care of the recall for you. We'll do the minor service, change the oil, rotate the tires. If you need a shuttle ride, just let me know. We could take you home and pick you up when we're all finished.
Reverse, turn signals, brakes, good.
So we're all finished with your service today. We got the oil changed, got your tires rotated. We took care of that safety recall for you. If I just get a signature here that we're picking it up, I'll grab a porter and we'll get the vehicle pulled up for you here right now.